Okay, today we're going to evaluate the 1617 Camaro SS full catback exhaust system from MRT. This system includes 3-inch diameter stainless steel tubing from the factory catalyst all the way back. Continuous 3-inch, the whole distance. This particular system is our version 3. This is the most aggressive, deepest, toughest sound that this particular Camaro powertrain will produce. Let's go give it some evaluation. So first, the exhaust presence is absolutely there. You hear it all the time. It's a good sound. On D-cell, we get a little bit of engine burble. For the engine match shift point, absolutely hear the gas blip. It's all performance. All right, now we're going to get out into a little bit higher speed traffic and go through the gears. All right, that's tough right there. That is American muscle V8. No apologies, no excuses. I'm a badass Camaro. That is the sound that we're getting right now. Drone resonance, very, very minimal. Honestly, in the driving dynamics that I'm in right now, there is no discernible resonance. All right, now we're going to hop on the highway and see what our steady state kind of highway cruising dynamics are. We want to see how much exhaust presence we have, how loud the exhaust is at the highway speeds, and we also want to evaluate our drone or resonance. We want to make sure that we don't have an obnoxious drone at the steady state RPM range. That would make driving the vehicle over a long distance very uncomfortable. Alright, so now we're going 70 to 75 miles an hour, about 1800 RPM. Exhaust presence, we're under a little bit of load going up a hill. So the exhaust presence is absolutely there. Just a little bit above tire noise on the highway. I can still hear tire noise, but it's not bad. Okay, so 70 miles an hour, 72, steady state. The exhaust noise is pretty much even with the tire noise. Drone, barely discernible. So very much subdued, not obnoxious, not annoying. So we're at a system right here that is, if you're looking for Call the Wild, all of the fun that you can have with a very aggressive exhaust note without having to deal with the annoying resonance drone or uncomfortable driving experiences, this is absolutely the system for you. Made of 3-inch 304 stainless steel, all mandrel bent, all made here in Plymouth, Michigan. This is the badass Camaro sound right here. Call us, we'll ship one to you.